Are you or someone you love among the millions dealing with an enlarged prostate? Ever wondered if what you eat could make a difference? With over 50% of men in their 60s facing prostate problems, it's a question that can't be ignored. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking approach. Can your diet be the key to shrinking an enlarged prostate? We've scoured the latest research and spoken with experts to bring you 20 scientifically proven foods that might just be your ticket to relief. Don't miss a minute as we unravel this crucial connection. Stay tuned till the end for some surprising superfoods that could be game changers for prostate health. Ready to transform your health? Let's embark on this journey together right now. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. Okay, let's delve into the array of nourishing choices that can help in managing an enlarged prostate. We'll begin our exploration with the first item on our list: tomatoes. Tomatoes are a rich source of lycopene, an antioxidant that gives them their red color. Research suggests that lycopene can be beneficial for prostate health. A study in the Medicine 2015 indicated that high dietary intake of lycopene was associated with a reduced risk of prostate cancer. Lycopene is thought to decrease cell damage and slow cancer cell production. It's more effectively absorbed from cooked or processed tomato products, such as tomato paste or sauce. Lycopene's role in reducing inflammation and preventing prostate cell proliferation makes tomatoes a valuable dietary component for managing BPH symptoms. Next, number 2, berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C and flavonoids. These compounds can help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially benefiting prostate health. A 2023 study in the Nutrients highlighted the role of dietary antioxidants in reducing oxidative stress, which is linked to the development of BPH. Regular consumption of berries can contribute to overall health and may aid in the management of prostate enlargement symptoms. Next, number 3, green tea. Green tea contains potent antioxidants known as catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG. A review published in the Antioxidants 2017 suggested that the catechins in green tea could inhibit prostate cancer cell growth and reduce the risk of developing BPH. These compounds can also reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. The benefits are attributed to green tea's ability to modulate hormone levels and its anti-inflammatory effects, making it a recommended beverage for prostate health. Next, number 4, salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon can play a significant role in reducing inflammation, a key factor in BPH. A study published in Integrative Cancer Therapies 2017 indicated that increased consumption of fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids might lower the risk of BPH. Omega-3 can also help regulate hormone levels, which is crucial in managing prostate enlargement. Next, number 5, nuts. Brazil. Nuts are an excellent source of selenium, a trace mineral with antioxidant properties. A study in the Nutrients 2020 reported that higher selenium levels might be protective against prostate enlargement. Selenium helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 factors implicated in the development of BPH. Next, number 6, broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable contains several bioactive compounds, including sulforaphane, which may have protective effects against prostate cancer and BPH. A 2023 study in International Journal of Molecular Sciences suggested that sulforaphane could target and kill cancer cells, while leaving normal prostate cells healthy. The phytochemicals in broccoli are thought to help in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Next, number 7, avocado. Avocados are rich in beta-sitosterol, a plant sterol known to alleviate symptoms associated with BPH. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical and Experimental Urology 2023, beta-sitosterol can improve urinary symptoms and flow measures in men with BPH. It's believed to act by reducing inflammation in the prostate and potentially inhibiting prostate growth. Next, number 8, pumpkin seeds. These seeds are high in zinc, a mineral crucial for prostate health. A study in Frontiers in Oncology, 2020, showed that zinc plays a protective role in prostate health and may help reduce the risk of BPH. Pumpkin seeds also contain phytosterols, which may help reduce the size of the prostate and improve urinary tract symptoms related to BPH. Next, number 9, pomegranate juice. Pomegranates are known for their high antioxidant content. A 2014 study in International Journal of Molecular Sciences reported that pomegranate extract could slow the progression of prostate cancer cells. While more research is needed to confirm its effects on BPH, the antioxidants in pomegranate juice can support overall prostate health. Next, number 10, soybeans and soy products. Soy products rich in isoflavones have been studied for their potential to alleviate BPH symptoms. A 2022 meta-analysis in the Nutrients found that isoflavones might improve urinary symptoms in men with BPH. Isoflavones are thought to work by modulating hormone levels and providing anti-inflammatory effects. Next, number 11, bell peppers. High in vitamin C, bell peppers can contribute to prostate health. A study in the Frontiers in Physiology, 2018, found that higher vitamin C intake from vegetables was associated with a reduced risk of BPH. This could be due to vitamin C's role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the prostate. Next, number 12, watermelon. Similar to tomatoes, watermelon is a good source of lycopene. The Nutrients Journal, 2022, noted that lycopene intake might be inversely related to the risk of developing BPH. Watermelon's lycopene content can contribute to reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the prostate. Next, number 13, garlic. Known for its health-promoting properties, garlic contains compounds like allicin that may benefit prostate health. A 2008 study in Nature Clinical Practice Urology suggested that garlic might reduce the risk of BPH. The protective effects are thought to be due to garlic's ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Next, number 14, onions. Similar to garlic, onions are rich in flavonoids and other compounds that can positively affect prostate health. A study in Journal of Pathology and Infectious Diseases, 2020, indicated that a diet rich in allium vegetables like onions was associated with a reduced risk of prostate cancer. These effects may also be beneficial in managing BPH symptoms. Next, number 15, tofu. Tofu is another soy product high in isoflavones. The Nutrients, 2018, reported that isoflavones might help in reducing the risk of BPH. The beneficial effects are thought to be due to isoflavones' anti-inflammatory properties and their ability to modulate hormone levels. Next, number 16, spinach. Spinach is high in various nutrients, including vitamins E and C, which support overall health. A 2023 study in Nutrients suggested that higher intake of vitamin E from foods might be linked to a reduced risk of BPH. Spinach's nutrient profile can support prostate health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Next, number 17, olive oil. Olive oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants like oleocanthal. A study published in Alternative Therapies in Health and Medicine, 2022, showed that olive oil consumption might have a protective effect against BPH. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of olive oil can contribute to prostate health. Next, number 18, flax seeds. Flax seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids and lignans. A study in the Asian Pacific Journal of Cancer Care, 2020, found that flax seed supplementation could help in reducing the growth and development of prostate cancer cells. The omega-3 fatty acids and lignans in flax seeds can help in reducing inflammation and hormone-related growth of prostate cells. Next, number 19, green leafy vegetables. Vegetables like kale and Swiss chard are high in vitamins and minerals. A 2007 study in Journal of the National Cancer Institute indicated that a diet rich in vegetables might lower the risk of aggressive prostate cancer. The nutrients in green leafy vegetables can support overall health and help in maintaining prostate health. Next, number 20, whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice and quinoa provide essential nutrients. A study in prostate cancer, 2012, suggested that a diet high in whole grains and cereals might be associated with a reduced risk of BPH. Whole grains contribute to overall health and may help in managing prostate enlargement symptoms. And that's it for today's insightful journey into the world of prostate health and nutrition. Remember, while diet plays a crucial role, it's just one piece of the wellness puzzle. Was this video enlightening for you? Did it add valuable insights to your health journey? If you found it helpful, please type yes in the comments below. Your feedback fuels our passion and helps us create more content that matters to you. Thank you for watching and being a part of our health-conscious community. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering health content. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.